Welcome once again. Let's talk about Coinbase and Terra Classic. Remember, Binance last time burned about 20 billion coins of Terra Classic LUSD, and this time around this month they were able to burn 8.5 billion. Now the next burning will be coming on April 2nd, which we believe that Binance might be burning over 20 billion coins again. Now Coinbase, we believe that if Coinbase will start partnering with Terra Classic, if they can list Terra Classic, there's a statistic that shows that Coinbase can burn up to 30 billion coins of LUSD within 3 months. That is about 10 billion in a month. Now Coinbase is one of the top crypto exchange. They have great community, they have millions of global customers. When you talk about Binance, I think you should be talking about Coinbase. Now if Coinbase lists Terra Classic, we believe that Coinbase can burn up to 30 billion coins of LUSD within 3 months. That is about 10 billion burns in a single month, and with that I believe these two can be burning up to 30 billion coins or 40 billion coins in a single month. But for me, that number is still way small. That is why we need more exchanges to come in. But for Coinbase listening, that is one of the difficult things right now. But according to rumor, Coinbase are getting interested on buying Terra Classic coin. So I believe if Coinbase eventually buys Terra Classic LUSD coins, then expect Coinbase listening to happen any moment from now. Okay, because most crypto exchanges want to buy coin, and once they buy these coins, they believe that coin is going to rise. They believe once they list a particular coin, that coin is going to rise. So most of them prefer to actually buy these coins ahead before listening or before announcing that they'll be listing such coin. You see them buy that coin, then they will not come out to let the public know that, look, we are ready to partner, we are ready to list this particular coin, which we all know is a good news based on fundamental analysis. Is a good news, is going to rise. So Coinbase getting interested with that rumor that Coinbase are actually getting interested on buying LUSD coins. Even at the time we had a rumor of Coinbase purchasing about $245 million worth of Terra Classic LUSD, but I don't know how true that rumor is. But one thing I know for sure, that the Coinbase listening is getting more possible every day according to the news we have been hearing. But let's hope this continues. Let's hope that Coinbase will finally list LUSD coin, and also they will also accept the 1.2% tax bond, which I believe that if they accept the tax bond, Coinbase can burn about 10 billion coins LUSD on a monthly basis, and of course that is about 30 billion bonds by Coinbase alone. So let's hope to see this come to pass. Let's hope Coinbase will finally bow down to the pressure from its community to list, to partner with Terra Classic LUSD, and let's hope Coinbase will be burning billions of Terra Classic LUSD. And I'm so hoping for Kucoin to join this, although Kucoin have actually staked billions of Terra Classic coin, which shows they are really supporting Terra Classic LUSD coin. And I believe that if this continues, of course we are going to get more exchanges who will be interested on listening and also accepting the 1.2% tax bond, and also burning Terra Classic coin. And very soon we'll be recording over 100 billion to 200 billion bond in a single month. And I'm hoping to see the way the day Terra Classic will actually hit this level. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.